after she got out of there. Because, see, I've got to take that out and then put those other frames in. If I don't put those other frames in, then the, you know, the cone's going to get big. You want to look at it?
No, I saw it. Gotta get. Did you take it all the way out?
Well, it's not like I pushed it all the way in.
Oh. So what you do is flush them off there and pull them out?
Yeah, I just pulled them out. Flushing them off like this as well. It's just sort of an infinite number. I mean, they're so into it.
You see her? Something's dead in there.
Yeah, maybe that's the problem.
It's not her. Something up top too. There are other bees in there.
Yeah. Now she's smart because you can see the back of her. She's got wax on her. Yeah, I think that's her right there. She's really big. You see that?
Yeah, there might be some dead ones blocking the hole there.
Yeah. Huh. So how do we...
That's her right there.
She needs to get out of there past the dead bees. Wondered about that.
Well, a couple things. You could either work that thing down here at the bottom and try to, but I think that's not going to, I think the ideal thing would be to get that fixed. She's trying her best to get that to go crazy.
Yeah. Okay, she'll work her way out that way.
Matter of fact, out.
Oh, good.
There she is.
Oh, cool. Now don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. She's got to stay in there. We got to cover it up.
Where'd she go?
Well, I pushed her in there.
She did? You did? Because
Yeah.
I thought she flew out.
I hope not. Okay, well, we don't need that thing anymore, so I can put a couple more frames in, and I hope she did not fly out. Because we're going to end up with a swarm. And the place will fly back in. Okay, guys. Roar, they're upset.
Alice.
Upset, baby.
Look, somebody's keeping their distance.
Yeah, that's probably a good strategy.
See her.
Yeah.
you're out squishing everybody.
Well, you put them on the outside. I think I just about got it, actually. But I just hope that queen's around here and she decides she wants to live here. That's all I can say. Otherwise, we've got a... Oops. All right.
Well, if she's not, won't they start trying to follow her?
Yeah, that's what a swarm is. What I need is to move this frame over.
Got it?
Please, Queen, go back home, please.
Shortly.
Yep.
That was fun.
Hmm?
That was fun.
Oh.